Welcome. Today we'll be talking about Form GSTR-7. What is GSTR-7? GSTR-7 is the return to be filed for TDS. Deductor must give tax deduction certificate electronically to deductee on the common portal in Form GSTR-7A on the basis of GSTR-7. Who can file GSTR-7? Registered taxpayers who deduct tax while making payments to vendors towards the inward supplies received can file GSTR-7. Who is required to deduct TDS? Governmental agencies, local authorities, central or state government department. The above deductors are required to deduct TDS where the total value of supply under the contract exceeds Rs 2.5 lakhs. The rate for TDS is 2%, 1% CGST plus 1% SGST in case of intrastate supply and 2% IGST in case of interstate supplies. When to file GSTR-7? GSTR-7 for a particular month can be filed upon the completion of that month, and last date to file is before 10th of the subsequent month. What details are included in GSTR-7? It contains details of TDS deducted by the person liable to deduct tax. We hope you found this video useful, and always remember, tax से मत डरो, H&R block के साथ चलो.